Tech neck, what is it? How do you get rid of it? I'm Doc John from Mobility Doc, and I've created a 3-exercise primer routine for you to get rid of your tech neck. It's going to improve your posture, the tension that you're feeling, and help to rebuild the strength and stability that you need for your neck and your shoulders. Let's get started. I'm sitting here at a chair, a little tongue-in-cheek, but I figure why not demonstrate in a way that makes the most sense for you. So everything I'm about to tell you, you're gonna do for 3 rounds to go through it. So first things first, chin tucks with extension. Seated nice and straight, what you're gonna do is you're going to bring your chin back to the back of your neck. So it's like you're creating a double chin. When you get to that double chin, you're gonna hold it for 2 to 4 seconds. As you get better at this, you can increase how long you're holding. So chin goes back, holding for 2 to 4 seconds. And after that, you're going to then just look up, straight to the ceiling. Obviously, you're not going to be speaking, and then you're going to come back down. You're going to repeat that for 10 to 12 reps. So chin tuck in, then up, and then repeat. Again, 10 to 12 reps. You're going to hold it for about 2 to 4 seconds. The important thing to remember is that we're trying to improve your posture and decrease tension in your suboccipitals with this motion. If you hold for too long, you're going to potentially strain and get some tension headaches. Also, when you're looking up and extending, you don't want to side bend or start to arch in your low back. So make sure when you look up, you're just looking straight up and down. So chin in, up, down. Next we're going to go to is we're going to do some scapular retractions. This is an easy exercise to do no matter where you are. Again, sitting nice and tall, you're going to let your palms down to your sides, and then you're going to squeeze your shoulder blades together and then down a little bit. So what I don't want is, I don't want you, when you squeeze back, I don't want you to shrug, but I also don't want you to arch in your low back again. I want you to bring your shoulder blades together and make sure that your shoulders are down into like your pockets. So shoulders squeeze together and make sure they're down towards your pockets. You're going to hold that contraction for a couple seconds, just a beat or so, and then you're going to relax. You're going to repeat that for, again, 10 to 12 reps. As it gets easier and as you feel like you're improving, you can improve more by increasing the number of reps all the way up to 15 reps. Shoulders back, shoulder blades are squeezing together and down and relax. So back, down, and relax. The third and final exercise, we're going to change locations, but we are going to be doing a pec stretch at your door. You can rest your arm against anything. Let's get up. I'm going to position some things around. See you in a moment. So for the third and final exercise, what you're going to do is you're going to find yourself a door or a door jamb. If you don't have a nice meaty door jamb, you can just open the door. I'm going to bend my elbow to 90 degrees. I'm going to bring my shoulder up to 90 degrees. I'm going to place it right into that door, and then I'm going to turn myself away from the door. Now, the higher or lower your elbow is, you'll change if you feel this more in your lat or if you feel it more in your pec. So you can play around with different angles here during a 30-second period, a 30-second hold for each arm. So maybe start high and work yourself low, or vice versa. If one area feels tighter than the other, you can certainly just hold that area even longer. So 30 seconds on each side. You're going to repeat this entire thing for 3 full rounds, and then you can also do this multiple times through your day. You do these 3 exercises and you will improve the strength of your neck and shoulders, the tension that you're feeling in that area, and your overall posture. One final tip, and possibly the most important one, is to make sure that you have an ergonomic setup. The biggest thing that we see is that everyone is just looking down, whether it's at a paper down here, whether the screen of your monitor is not in perfect alignment with your eyes, or most of us, let's face it, are using our phones to answer a lot of these questions these days. A lot of our work and personal life is all on our phones. So get that object up straight in front of you. Try to keep yourself in a nice tall posture anytime you're sitting or standing as best as you can. Don't overdo it, don't strain, and if you have to, take little breaks and get up away from your desk. I'm Doc John from Mobility Doc. Thank you for watching.